Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Speck Gemstones Play True Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds are a departure from Speck's usual phone cases, aiming to deliver comfort and functionality at an affordable price. We'll cover everything from design and comfort to sound quality and features, so stick around to find out if these are worth your money. Let's start with the design. The Gemstones Play earbuds come in a matte black finish that looks sleek out of the box, but it does tend to pick up fingerprints quite easily. The case features a unique press-to-release button that makes retrieving the earbuds straightforward. Though the overall build quality feels a bit plasticky and lightweight. The hinge mechanism, while functional, raises some durability concerns due to its thin construction. Comfort is where these earbuds shine, especially for those with smaller ears. They fit snugly and securely, making them great for extended wear without discomfort. The lightweight design contributes to their comfortable feel, making them suitable for workouts or casual listening sessions. Moving on to sound quality, the Gemstones Play offer acceptable performance given their price point. They deliver a good tonal range with decent clarity. However, they do fall short compared to competitors like the One More Piston Buds Pro Q30 in terms of dynamic range and richness. Particularly noticeable in vocal clarity and bass depth. The included EQ presets help improve the listening experience. But you may find yourself switching between them to find the best balance for different types of audio content. In terms of features, the Gemstones Play offer a 28-hour battery life with the case, Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, and IPX5 waterproofing, which is great for workouts and daily use. The accompanying app provides basic functionality like EQ presets and a Find Your Earbuds feature, though it lacks customization options. One notable drawback is the absence of active noise cancellation, which is becoming more common even in budget-friendly earbuds. Wrapping up, the Speck Gemstones Play earbuds cater well to comfort and basic functionality at an affordable price. They're ideal if you prioritize comfort and ease of use over advanced features like ANC or multi-point pairing. However, if sound quality and additional features are crucial to you, alternatives like the One More Piston Buds Pro Q30 might offer a better value proposition. Ultimately, whether these earbuds are right for you depends on your specific needs and budget. That wraps up our review of the Speck Gemstones Play. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.